Jackie Love here, and I decided to make some chicken myself. I was thinking about going to Church's Chicken, but I decided that I make really good chicken, so I'm going to make my own fried chicken. And on the Sunday, I'm going to also make broccoli and cheese. So that's why I have this pot here, and I'm going to make some mini potatoes. So right now I'm going to turn over the chicken because let it cook on one side a little, and then I'm going to turn it over just so it can cook evenly. And then I'm going to let this side get brown and flip it over again. Now to start the broccoli. That looks good. I coated it with flour and nor pollo seasoning bouillon. It's really good on everything. Yeah, so now I put on the broccoli here, and I put in some little red bell peppers, and I'm going to season it with this, the same thing I put in the chicken, nor pollo seasoning bouillon. It tastes really good. I get the chicken kind. I just always like the chicken kind, but I guess the beef is good when you're making beef. And because I don't like to change the flavor of different foods to, adding chicken flavor. So, but this is fine because I love chicken bouillon. So I'm gonna cut an onion up in there, a little piece of onion. So right now I need to go ahead and turn this. Flip this chicken again. It's still this is brand new oil, so it takes a little longer to brown with brand new oil. So I like fresh oil though. It makes it look so pretty and it smells so good. So now this is going to cook down, and broccoli does kind of shrink down a little bit, so that's going to be a good thing. Yeah, my stove is black, so it shows every little dot. It is clean though. Flour, seasoning, I'm going to clean that up after I'm done. So anyway, just let that cook a little bit longer. And next there, I'm going to cook the potatoes. Okay, the chicken is almost ready. It takes a little longer with the new oil, the fresh oil. So this is done. The broccoli is pretty much done. It's soft, and I don't like it to be too soft. It's just soft enough to just kind of be able to break it with the fork, but still a little bit solid and a little bit crunch to it. Well, not crunch, but firmness. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sprinkle this cheese on here. I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese. And this one is kind of easier to shred it and just sprinkle it on there like that. I'm going to use all this because there's only a little left. And I have slices of cheddar cheese. I love cheddar cheese on my broccoli because it's way better than American cheese on the broccoli, because it just has a better flavor to me and it sticks better. American cheese is kind of like for, like sandwiches, like grilled cheese and things like that. Because this, I don't know, I just like cheddar on my broccoli. It just doesn't taste the same if it's not cheddar. So I'm just gonna leave this top on here and let it melt down. Turn off the fire. I already turned it off. Let the chicken cook a little bit longer. And then, actually I'm going to start the microwave in a few minutes so that the potatoes can be getting done, since they only take 5 minutes. And now for the potatoes. I love these little small potatoes. They're from the Little Potato Company. Savory herb, fresh creamer potatoes with the seasoning pack. This only takes like 5 minutes to cook in the microwave. I have this really cool seasoning pack. You can just buy these potatoes in a package without the seasoning pack. But I like the seasoning pack because it has all these really great herbs and spices that go really well with the potatoes. So what you do is you rip it open like that. Well, don't rip it open, and then you take this out. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 5 minutes, like it says right here, and then I'm gonna stir the seasoning pack in. That's what the direction says. So we're gonna set the microwave for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to put these in there, the potatoes, and they'll be done in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to the microwave. Okay, so the chicken is done, and I took it out of the fire. I thought I videoed that part, but I didn't. So my bad, but I did take it out. I used this fork right here. Anyway, so this is the broccoli. Nice and melted now. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm gonna get my grub on. And the potatoes are in the microwave cooking, and they will be ready in a few minutes. And I'm gonna stir this flavor pack in there from the Little Potato Company. You guys should really try these potatoes. It tastes like, I mean, it's really nice. It's like a baked potato, but a little tiny baked potato. So it's so cute. It's like that nice little bite that it has when you eat it, and the savoriness of all the little flavors they put in the packet. It's so good. I think sometimes I just eat those potatoes by themselves. Okay, so the little potatoes are done. I got them out of the microwave, and they're nice and hot right now. So really good. They just look like little tiny, baked potatoes, but they're so delicious. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir in this seasoning pack, and I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of butter. The recipe says you could do that because it didn't make too much juice, so I think it would be better if I put a little bit of butter in here. Okay, so I used some Challenge sea salted whipped butter. I'm trying to make sure I want to start eating more butter because I know it melts in your body better. It doesn't get clogged in your arteries. So I put the butter on there, and I'm gonna stir it up because it's hard to do with one hand in video. So I'm gonna be right back. So this is how they look when they're all buttered and seasoned. Look at that. It's still melting a little bit, but it's, oh my god, I can't wait to eat it. I think I might put it in the microwave for like a couple more seconds just to let the butter melt in. Alright, and now for the Kool-Aid. Crystal Light, strawberry, raspberry, and mango. I gotta have this. Otherwise, it's not good without your Kool-Aid. And I use sugar-free, so I can enjoy as much as I want. And it's summertime. It's been really hot here, so it's good to have some good Kool-Aid to quench your thirst, and you're taking care of your body, because I use alkaline water, and that way it's healing my body on the inside and also refreshing my body and quenching my thirst. So I went on ahead and made my plate right now, and that is what the end result is. I'm going to actually put jalapenos on there too, because I love jalapenos. And that's how the potatoes came out after I mixed the butter, and I put it in the microwave with the butter and let it melt down, and you can see all those herbs and spices on there. Believe me, these potatoes are good. You should try them. So that's it for me. This is Jackie Love, and I appreciate you guys watching my video. Please like, comment, and share this video if you like it. I will see you next time, and thank you for watching Cooking with Love with Jackie Love. And remember, it's all about love because God is love. I love you guys. Hi. Yeah, I'm about to get my grubbo, y'all.